Question number 46. When AgNO3 is heated in a closed vessel, O2 gas is liberated and AgNO2 is left behind as. So we have been given the equilibrium, and it is also given to us that the delta H of this reaction is positive. So examiner seems to be interested in the Le-Chatelier's principle. So in the first option, he says that the addition of AgNO2 favors the backward reaction. This is incorrect, students. Addition or removal of solid components do not affect the heterogeneous equilibrium, as the concentration can be taken to be constant. So automatically statement 2 also becomes incorrect. If you look at the third option now, increasing the temperature favors the forward reaction. This is correct, students. The given reaction is endothermic, and we know that upon heating, the endothermic reaction shifts in the forward direction. Let's look at option 4 now. Decreasing the pressure favors the reverse reaction. This is also incorrect, students. Decreasing the pressure will lead to the shifting of the equilibrium in the forward direction, as the Kp of this reaction is equal to the partial pressure of O2. So we have to select option 3 as the correct answer to this question. Let us look at the next question now. Question number 47. Consider the following structure of glucose and select the incorrect statement. So if you look at the structure given to us, we can see that the CH2OH and the OH are parallel to each other. So the CH2OH and OH are parallel in the beta form. And if you look at the structure very carefully, we can see that this is the beta L glucose. So let us look at the options now. The examiner is interested in the incorrect statement. So in the first option, it says it is a reducing sugar. This is correct, students. The hemiacetal will be hydrolyzed in the basic medium, and it will reduce the tolerance reagent. If you look at the second statement, it says that it is an alpha form of glucose. This is incorrect, students. We had seen that it is a beta form, since the CH2OH and the OH are parallel to each other. So this is a beta form. Statement 3 is correct. And statement 4 is also correct, that it is beta L glucose. So we have to select option 2 as the correct answer to this question. Let us look at the next question now. Question number 48. Experimentally, it was found that a metal oxide has formula M0.980. Metal M is present as M2 plus and M3 plus in its oxide. So the examiner seems to be interested in the fraction of metal which exists as M3 plus would be. So if we look at the formula, we have M0.980. We can simplify it to write it as M98O100. Now all that is left is for us to balance the charge. So the M is present as M2 plus ions and M3 plus ions. And the examiner seems to be interested in knowing the number of M3 plus ions. So it is better that we assume that M3 plus be equal to X, and M2 plus will be automatically equal to 98 minus X. So writing the conservation of charge, we have 98 minus X into 2 plus X into 3 is equal to 2 into 100, which gives us a value of X equal to 4. So if we talk about the percentage of M3 plus ions, we have 4 upon 98 into 100. And this value will be a little greater than 4%. So it will come out to be approximately equal to 4.08%. So if you look at the options, it is clear to us that we have to mark option 2 as the correct answer to our question. Let us look at the next question now. Question number 49. So it is a fact-based question. Which of the following compounds can be detected by Molish test? So students, we know that Molish test is used for the detection of carbohydrates in a compound, and we have to select option 3 as the correct answer to our question. Let us look at the next question now. Question number 50. Which of the following is not correct according to the Freundlich adsorption isotherm? So students, if we talk about the Freundlich adsorption isotherm, we have X by M equal to some constant K into the pressure raised to the power 1 by N, where the value of N is greater than 1. So we can say that X by M is proportional to P to the power 1 by N. We can also draw a graph for this expression. If we plot the X by M on the y-axis and the pressure on the x-axis, we're going to have a curve of this nature. If you look at the first option now, we can see that for very large value of n, this term will be almost equal to p to the power 0, which is also seen in the high pressure region, where the x by m becomes almost constant and it is independent of the pressure exerted. So first will be correct. The second will also be correct. We can just have the value of n equal to 2. The third statement is the general form. So this is also correct. And if you look at the fourth option now, in the fourth option, it says under root of x by m is proportional to 1 by p. So students, this expression is not possible. Okay. So the statement 4 is not correct according to Freundlich, and we have to select fourth option as the correct answer to this question. Let us look at the next question.